Hey, my friend Daniel here, and the moment is almost here, the moment we've all been waiting for, and that is the launch of myEcon Global. If you have not gone to this page right here, I will leave the link in the description down below. Make sure that you are on my global launch list to know exactly the moment that this happens. I'm telling you right now, the first movers are going to win the biggest. I'm going to do something that I have never done before, and it's going to be bigger, faster, harder, crazier, and it's going to help more people than I ever have in my entire 7+ years of online marketing and building huge, massive teams. So make sure you hit the link in the description, get on my launch list, and know exactly when the moment strikes and myEcon launches global. Now, let me just talk about a couple of things here and really kind of what has led up to this point. Now, obviously, we've been talking about this for months. We've been hoping this moment has, would have been here by now, but there's a lot of things that needed to take place, a lot of things behind the scenes, networking with a lot of the corporate folks over at myEcon, a lot of the things that, most of us don't really think about. But I'm going to spare you all that. And everything is lined up except for one specific thing right now. So meaning, the price points, the compensation plan, the products and services available in the back office, the members area, the actual sign up link itself, the checkout, all of those things, the shopping carts, everything that you need to basically have in place to launch a product or launch to a specific country. All that stuff is in place. There's only one specific thing that is missing that myEcon is really waiting on right now, and that is PayQuicker. So if you're not familiar with PayQuicker, it is a online merchant account, and it's essentially like a bank. I've used PayQuicker. I'm sure many of you have used PayQuicker in other businesses. One of our previous businesses that we used for years used PayQuicker as a merchant account. And this is basically a way for you to, take on the commissions that, myEcon takes the commissions when someone joins. And then when someone gets paid out, PayQuicker is a way for you to connect your bank account digitally to myEcon so you can get paid via direct deposit. They also, depending on your country, they may also send you a debit card, or you might have, a credit card available that you can use that's tied to your PayQuicker bank account. And that's essentially how the global people are going to earn commissions. Anyone that's outside of the USA is going to be using PayQuicker to be getting paid versus the traditional, what myEcon's been using for, decades here is, hooking your commissions up to direct deposit. That is directly through myEcon. Overseas, internationally, they're going to be using PayQuicker because they are a global merchant account. So again, that is specifically what we're waiting on right now. Now, it is a 4 to 6 week process. If a business starts from scratch and they're looking to get started with PayQuicker, is a 4 to 6 week process. So you have to understand that obviously they already started this process. They're making it happen. They're making it work. And we are literally in the home stretch of that 4 to 6 weeks. So the global launch should literally be any time now. So make sure that you are on that launch list, that you are going to be the very first to know the second that we go live. We are very, very close, my friend. We are almost at the finish line. And once we get the word, once we get the go ahead, myEcon will be launching their global system, and it will be absolutely awesome and amazing. So just want to give you this quick update and kind of talk about what are we actually waiting on right now? And it is specifically PayQuicker. That's what it's all coming down to. Otherwise, this is going to be good to go very, very soon. So to wrap everything up, everything else, like I mentioned, is in place. The only thing is just PayQuicker. Once that is connected and 100% ready to go, once they get the word from PayQuicker and this is all good, you will be the first to know if you are on my launch list. Hundreds upon hundreds have already subscribed. It is going to be a very epic, awesome, and amazing global launch once we go live. And I can promise you this, please, if you haven't already, make sure that you are not only on my launch list, but you are also subscribed to my channel. And even more specifically, hit that bell icon so you get notified when I launch new content on my channel, but more specifically, when I go live, you will be notified via email from YouTube that I'm going live. Once we actually go live with the myEcon Global launch, I will be live right here on my channel every single day. I don't know, for days or even weeks in a row because of what I'm planning on the back end. Sales rotators, literally bringing people on live and just helping people get sales the moment that we go live. Yes, I will be plugging you live directly into my sales rotator and watching you get sales live because we already know the buildup, we already know the momentum. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people will be joining, maybe even thousands, the first week that we are live with myEcon Global, and we will be plugging people in to the sales rotators live, helping them get sales live, and you'll get to watch it live as it happens. And if you are an action taker, you will be able to join in live and maybe even make sales live, and I will be shouting you guys out. So again, links in the description down below. Make sure you're on my launch list and make sure you are ready for this. Be subscribed to the channel, hit the bell icon so you can know when everything's going to happen and you will be the first to know. And yes, you could even be benefiting from some of those live sales and be participating live as we are launching. It's going to be absolutely incredible and I cannot wait. I know you can't wait either. Hit the links in the description down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and we will see you very, very soon.